in this month's edition of Akron Art Competition. 7 contestants will be fighting for absolutely no prize, and Muira will have to defend her rank as the ultimate champion. So, will Muira win the ultimate champion of the art competition, or will she finally be beaten? Find out soon.
Hi, and welcome to Akron Media Production's final art competition. This month's theme is abstract. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I love your face.
We're not actually going. It's just
Who painted the screen?
Oh, I feel like I do know.
Do you?
I don't know, I forget it.
I do love reading you guys. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know you did.
Yeah.
You didn't know.
That should be around. You have a title? Want me to do trivia?
Hey Muira, is the title of your art piece Fear?
Yeah.
I mean, I can see the fear in that.
I hate this
Yellow?
freaking prompt. I think they all hate me. He's out to get me. I'm not even gonna say his whole name because that's how much respect he gets from me. But
Whoa. That's... Whoa. You take those feelings out on the paper.
I hate this.
Lardy, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing an apron courtesy of Miss Cornell.
Oh shoot! I got chalk all over my white shirt.
That's why I wore an apron right there.
Should have gotten an apron.
You know, I'm very clumsy. I always spill things all the time. Everyone sees me walking around. My coffee spills like 4 times a day, so I really felt like this was safe. So yeah, apron, Akron High School, 2026.
Can you show
spring
you?
collection.
Oh, spring collection?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No,
Are you gonna wear that out in public?
I might. I mean,
Ooh.
yeah.
Maybe not.
All right.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your stuff down.
Hey, Miss Cornell.
Hey, Emma.
So we want you to pick your top 3.
All right. I'm on it. Let's see. Should this be a first place? No, it should
Can you
not.
show us the camera?
No, it should not. This ballad, kind of interesting, but I'm going to put that one aside. Let's see. So I'm going to say sort of abstract, but sort of doesn't fit the idea of abstraction per se. We're looking for like elements, principles of art, not any recognizable objects usually, or like somewhat like distorted. So we got some like interesting distortions going here. I'm going to kind of keep those in that. This is kind of a distortion that's got some interesting movement. This is like an interesting composition. Kind of liking the movement in this piece here too. All right, so looking at these guys are pretty interesting with like distorting and abstracting some things. This one's going to be in our top 3 here. All right, we're getting down there. Got a lot of action, a lot of motion. I'm going to put this one aside. I think it was a pretty good attempt, I believe. Seeing some interesting motion in these pieces. All right, I'm gonna break it down to these 3. Sorry, little dude, you're like top 4.
This is eliminated.
Sorry, top 4 though. Top 4, we'll say.
Okay, let's start with our number 3rd spot.
Number 3rd spot. I think this is going to be my number 3rd spot right here. The number 3. All right, you got it down. This is very like Pablo Picasso-y. We got some like cubism stuff happening here. We got some. Is this upside down? I'm holding it upside down so the camera can see it. Or is that still upside down? That this is correct? This is correct?
We don't know.
Oh,
We don't know.
Oh no.
Tough.
I think this is going to be number 2 right here. How about the toss-up?
What?
Number 1.
Okay, you just picked Muira.
You might. You're so close now. Look at this piece.
That's not abstract at all. That looks like that's.
Are you arguing with the artist?
So, Muira, you were so stressed out. You were like freaking out. So, how do you feel that you won for the a millionth, trillionth time ever?
All year, my last time, I feel relieved, and I also feel like I hate Tyler because why did you tell everybody else the prompt and not me?
Okay, he
And
literally
I
told me in the
still
morning.
won. I still won.
So, what's going on here? Can you like describe your piece?
Yes, I can. I got a tree with apples, and then the sun, which is also an eyeball.
Oh.
And then I got wind, and it's kind of like a mix of different like weather cycles, I would say, because it's all revolving around the one tree. And I kind of connected the tree to life, but life always has eyes on you, because you're never truly alone. Whatever you do, someone's always watching. Is what I'm kind of getting at.
That's deep.
But it's also in nature, so you wouldn't expect people to, or like anybody to see it.
Bars.
I like it.
I'm proud of you. Muira, you missed.
This competition was rigged so that Muira would lose.
We really tried.
Really
hard.
tried.
Okay, good job. Hey.